Hello guys, this is the cat that long time ago I brought to my father. I found her outside when she was a kitten. So my dad started drinking, and today he hit a man, and the man said that the man called the police, and they told my dad to leave the house and take all his stuff out, and he's going to live outside. So I came there to take the cat. The cat have no eye right now. It's stitched. She's very aggressive. I found her outside since she escaped. And I have 3 cats, and I really don't know what I'm going to do, since she may not get along with them. You can see her reaction. Masha, 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 Mashachka. You see? She's very aggressive, and I don't really know if she's going to get used to this place and what I'm going to do with her, because I can't let her go outside and just die like this, and I don't really know who will keep her. And I think my dad, while he was drunk, he abused her. And now she's like that. Here's my other cat, Bagheera. She's a good girl, but I don't think she's going to get along with this cat. I don't even know if I can get along with her. Sverchinka. Here is my other cat. This is a male, and they're good friends together. She really loves me. And this is Maxim. He's kinda old, quite sick cat, because no one takes him to the vet. We don't have really much money for this. And yes, this is now my situation. I have 4 cats. One of them isn't in a good situation now.